Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa chiropractor ko. It's my follow-up checkup. Actually, pag-uusapan yung x-ray result ko. So, let's see what's gonna happen and tingnan natin kung bibigyan nila akong treatment for today. Abangan po natin and I'm so excited. Kaya sana, mabigyan na nila akong treatment for today. So guys, let's go and samahan niyo ako.
Hey.
Hi.
Okay. Well, I'm going to pull up the first set of x-rays we have for you, and then the doctor is going to go over the rest with you. Okay. So this one here is a perfect image of what we all would like to look like. This one here is where you are right now. You are where the red line is located, and the doc wants you to be where the green line is located. So here shortly, the doctor will be here in just a moment to go further into details on all the rest of the images, the plan of care, and then we'll see you when you come out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Ayan guys, malapit na. Na-board lang ng konti. Magkakaroon ako ng one treatment. Yung aking result, oh my God, it's really bad. Siyempre, hindi natin papakita kung anong ginagawa nila sa akin kasi doctor sila. I don't wanna bother them. So, update lang ito. Ngayon, bibigyan nila ako ng parang heels sa isa kong sapatos sa right side. Dito yung treatment place. Dito nila gagawin yung treatment ko. Ayan.
So, you can come around with that. So, Dr. Jason wants us to use a 3mm heel lift in your right heel. So this is what your heel lift looks like. You're gonna want the shinier flat part down, okay? On the other side, you'll see you see that there's like a little bit of writing. That's up, okay? Yeah, you see that? Yeah, that'll be up. They prefer you to put it underneath your insert. If you can put it underneath your insert, please do. If not, it's on top is fine, but just make sure that it's in your right shoe. All right, I'll hand that to you at checkout. Come on over your stuff right here on the table. I'm gonna show you how to use your cervical wedge. Sure. And then you go ahead and lie back on the on the floor for me. I was going to say table.
Lie down here.
Whichever way. All right. So this is what your cervical wedge looks like. You notice there's a short side and a long side. Okay. You want the short side to your shoulders. So if you're going to lie like this at home, you're going to face it this way because you want the short side towards your shoulders. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to show you where to place the peak of it. All right. Go ahead and lie back for me. How does that feel? Is it okay? We want you to do this on the floor. Carpet, yoga mat is okay. We don't really want you to do it on the bed. The bed's gonna be too soft. It's gonna defeat the purpose. This is to put curve back into your neck. Okay, so your neck is probably really straight. So we're putting curve back in because we should have like a natural curve that goes like this. Okay. Don't sleep on this pillow. This is not a sleeping pillow. We only want you to do it for a few minutes at a time when you first start, okay? So like 3 to 5 minutes if you need to, or less if you need to. But eventually we want you to make it to 20 minutes a day. Eventually. It's at your own pace. If you can only do a minute for 5 days, then do a minute for 5 days. All at your own pace. Just eventually make it to 20 minutes a day. Okay? Don't do it all on the first day. It's very normal to be sore when you start doing this. Do that whole 20 in the very first day, you're probably not going to ever want to do it again. So, at your own pace. Okay? All right, go ahead and sit on that. We'll give you a brand new one of those at checkout. Muscle stimulation is a pain reduction therapy. It stimulates your muscles, increasing the blood flow to the area, helping to speed up the healing process.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead and lie back for me. So once I get you lined back, I'm going to turn the machine on and I'll gradually increase it. Thank you, Alice. Come on down a little bit. Lift up your leg. I'm going to place the pillow underneath. Good. I need you to scooch up a little bit more because you want like your whole body. Yes, because that needs to be, your head needs to be hanging off of it. Okay? All right. So I'm going to turn it on. You let me know as soon as you feel something. You're going to feel like a tingly feeling, and then we'll go from there. Okay? I want you to tell me as soon as you feel something.
Oh yeah, okay.
Tell me when you start to feel a tingly feeling. Okay?
Yeah.
So from here, I'm going to increase it. We want it to be nice and strong, but we don't want it to be painful. We don't want any muscles jumping or twitching. If that starts to happen, I need you to tell me so I can turn it down, okay? You just let me know when you feel like it's enough for you.
Okay.
Okay?
I think that's it.
That's good right there?
Yeah.
Okay. So that'll be going for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
It's okay. But we got it. That was your first time. We got to figure it out, okay? It's okay. I'll be back for you in about 10 minutes, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Meron akong session for today. Maliban dun sa aking explanation ng doktor na nalaman ko yung result ng aking x-ray. Nakuha ko ang aking result. Nandito, meron akong kopya. Ito siya. So, ayun, it's really bad. Yung aking left side, something wrong. Ngayon, marami akong natutunan sa Chiropractor. Hindi lang siya basta-basta nagpapaputok ng mga buto-buto. Marami silang ginagawa sa'yo para matreat yung align ng inyong mga bones. So, ang natutunan ko dito ay dahil nabasa ko ang aking x-ray, it's really bad. Yung aking left side at saka yung bones natin dito, which is supposedly yan ang perfect. Yan ang magiging normal. Pero yung akin ay ayun siya. So, yung red, ayan, yung red ay yun yung bad. So, i-correct nila yun, i-treat ako. Ayan. Yung sa harap ko, yung green dapat ganyan siya. So, naging yan ang akin. Tapos, back position, ang normal is this one. Yung may green, tapos yung hindi normal, yun yung may red. Lahat pinunan hanggang lower. So, ayon sa explanation ng doctor, yeah, ang galing talaga, grabe. So, yung aking hip sa left side, it's kinda like this. Hindi siya yung talagang pantay na ganun, parang ganun siya. Ngayon, ang mangyari na siya, i-treat nila yan, align nila yung sa lower back position ko. So, ang lower back position, pagka kulay green, ayan ang normal. Yan. So, yung aking lower back position from front, ayan, meron siyang red. So, yan ang i-treat nila. Ngayon, ang problema ko ay nasa left side. Ngayon, binigyan nila ako, at saka yung dito ko sa back, dito yung pinaka-main na masakit ko. Ito, everyday, for 20 minutes, gagawin ko to sa bahay. Pero hindi ako matutulog with this. So, every single day, gagawin ko yung cervical or orthosis. Ito yung magiging therapy ng aking neck. Ayan, 20 minutes every day. And then, binigyan nila ako ng heels for my shoes. Meron siyang mga numbers. So, ito ang ilalagay ko. I-insert ko siya sa rubber shoes ko. Mas maganda daw kung sneaker yung suit kong sapatos. So, yung may number na yun, yung LL3 BML sa right ko. Ayan. Right. So, susot ko to every single day when I work and when I'm wearing my shoes. So, ito yun. Then, meron akong visit for, meron akong schedule for 12 visit. Aabot ako na hanggang January nito. So, bali twice a week. So, meron akong Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Monday. Oh, sa aking 2 weeks, meron akong twice a week. Then, the following, I'm going to have only once a week na lang for 12 visit. So, aabot ako dito hanggang January 9. So, ngayon, November 3, my first visit. So, hanggang matatapos ng January 9. Then, after that, i-x-ray nila ako ulit. So, titingnan natin hanggang kung ano ang level na na-treat nila sa akin. So, ayun guys. Nung tinuit ako ng doctor, meron siyang hawak na tools. Dun there's stuff for the chiropractor. Yun yung ginawa niya sa akin from lower back to up here. Talagang machine siya na, pero hindi masakit. Talagang, it feels so good. And then, yung hinihigaan ko, yung bed ko, iba-iba palang, yung setup. Meron siyang parang, yung sa lower back, yung sa paa, talagang siya, automatic siyang up and down. Tapos, dun sa gitna, parang pag ginanon niya ako, pinaputok niya eh. Talagang meron akong narinig na bigla niyang i-release siya, parang gaganon ako. Yung mag-move ako. Then, in the middle, meron siyang ginawa, talagang ang lakas ng putok. Oh my God. Tapos yung yung sa neck ko, left and right, tagi-isa, dito ako sobrang shock talaga, na hindi talaga ako nakapagsalita, na nakapag-comment, dahil hinintay ko talagang matapos yung treatment ko. You know, I don't wanna interrupt the doctor. So, I was like, nung ginawa niya yung sa left side ko, oh my God, Ang crunchy, dinig na dinig mo yung tala, parang sabay-sabay yung tatlo eh. Parang 1, 2, 3 in one time. Talagang ganito ang sound. So, nung narinig ko yun, talagang okay. Then, the second one, nung ginawa niya sa right, ganun at the same time na ganun din ang tunog niya. Hindi muna ako nagsalita, I was shocked. Tapos nung nakatayo na ako, sinabi ko sa doctor, oh my God, na-shock ako, sabi ko sa kanya. Feels so good guys. Hindi lang siya basta-basta na pinapaputok, talagang napakagaling nila. Recommend ko tong corrective chiropractic dito sa Higher Heights, Texas. So guys, yan lang po ang may i-share ko sa inyo na ito at saka yung heels ko. So mata-therapy ako for 12 visit. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye! Ayan everyone, subukan natin itong binigay nila sa akin na gagamitin ko to every day for 20 minutes. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya gagamitin. So, eto siya. Buksan natin. So, I think this is cervical orthosis. Ayan, para sa neck natin for 20 minutes lang. So, you cannot sleep on it. Hindi ito ginawa to para, gawing unan. But gagamitin lang to for just for therapy for 20 minutes. So, dito yung ating neck. So, let's see guys. Tara, ibaba ko muna. Ayan. Ito siya. Ayan. I'm sure ito yung flat niya. Ayan siya. Okay. Let's go. Kailangan ito nandito. Ayan, it feels so good naman pag nakahiga ko. Yeah guys, ayan. It feels so good naman siya kapag ginagamit. So, this makes sense and I love it. So guys, ngayon, subukan natin yung para sa shoe ko. Papapakita ko sa inyo. Ngayon, ito yung flat sa baba. Tapos meron siyang number. Si babaw yun. Ayan siya.